I think Hagen and I need a place that functions better for the two of us.
Yes. This is an incredible neighborhood. It's probably why you bought here.
It is.
I've done an evaluation, and the current value is $325,000. Now, what do you want from me to get you out of this house? I believe that's you, then. You have a list for me of stuff that you need?
Open concept kitchen and living room, 2 separate hangout spaces, 3 bedrooms, a laundry room, a dedicated office for Catherine, more square footage overall.
Is location a big deal for you guys?
Yes,
Does
absolutely.
it have to be in this neighborhood?
Ideally, yes.
What is the budget for the new house?
$400,000.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not gonna happen.
Doesn't really seem likely, but
Beyond not likely. I can show you whatever's for sale in this neighborhood, but I guarantee you it's probably gonna start around 5.
okay.
Oh, you're happy about that?
It's the truth, and I am happy about that.
Listen, I'm gonna do my best. Over to you.
So, I'm here to make this house work. So I need to know what you want from me to convince you that this is a house you could stay in.
Renovate and enlarge the kitchen, increase the size of the dining room, make my office bigger, and then make the minor bath a master bath.
Okay, so what space are you willing to give up for all of that?
I'm not done with my list yet.
Well, okay, go.
Finish the basement.
Really? What's my budget?
Still not finished yet.
What else?
I love this.
Create a laundry room.
Replace our deck. It's old and rickety.
You done?
I am done.
Big question. How much do I have?
$110,000.
With the list you've just given me, there's no way. Sorry, we're both bearers of bad news here, but there
Okay.
is no way.
Okay.
We both have a tough job ahead of us. I mean,
Okay.
David to try and find something that apparently doesn't even exist, and me trying to stretch those dollars.
You've already heard, you're not gonna get more space out of it.
No.
The only place you're gonna get more space is from me.
Yes.
Might not be in this neighborhood, but it's gonna be more space. And then when you see it, the only thing you're gonna say about this cozy house is list it.
I like it.
I don't.
Everything we just looked at is going to be completely demolished. And there's going to be a brand new walk-in closet here.
Okay.
And everything else is going to be a brand new ensuite bathroom.
Okay.
So it's actually a proper master. The problem with this is only that now I have to find somewhere else to put a laundry room. Figure that
Yeah.
one out. But you know what I want to do right now? I got to figure out the stairs now, how we get down there. Let's do
That's
that.
a big deal. This could be a possibility for stairs down to the basement.
Here, this little spot?
Yeah. If you take these walls down, that would enable you to put your stairs right here.
We can get rid of the stairs that are existing going down there, which is great because I
Yeah.
can enlarge my kitchen and use that space.
Right.
But this wall, I want this down too.
Okay, so this is the load-bearing wall in the house. If we want to eliminate this wall, we're going to have to take the structure of it and put it up top, on top of the joists, which is
Okay.
possible, feasible.
So, $110,000.
Yeah.
If we are going to go down, I now need to find a new office space for Catherine, and I need to come up with a laundry room. So that's what would go downstairs. So I need you to find out how much that little space will cost, because we still have to excavate, because we cannot do all of this for $110,000. That's for sure.
Yeah. I'll do my homework and
Okay, great.
I'll let you know what.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Cool house.
Isn't it? How was the drive?
I would say it's long, but it could definitely be longer if there's traffic.
Right. If you can get on board with this location,
Okay.
there is no way you are not gonna love this house. Come on in.
This is cute. It's nice to have an actual front entrance rather than just walking right into a living room.
Absolutely. Now, in terms of a main floor, I mean, is there any way Hilary could deliver something like this?
No, she's never gonna find this kind of space in our current house.
You've got a nice big island.
Look at the storage.
Bathroom number 1 of 3 in this house.
Full bathrooms.
Full bathrooms. This is your own private office.
That's perfect.
And don't worry, I have something very awesome for you.
Okay.
Not quite yet. Maybe we should let Catherine go first, seeing as this is her master bedroom.
What? What? This is huge. This is amazing. Look at this. Hagen can have the whole rest of the house.
There you go.
Great.
Your master bath.
What? This is so cute. 2 sinks, but you can't come in here.
All right. Check out your screened-in porch, Hagen.
Wow. This is great.
This is awesome.
Isn't this amazing?
This will be fabulous in the summertime.
Yes, this is like 2 houses in one.
Let's talk money. What do you think this house is listed at?
$450,000.
I was thinking $425,000.
This house is listed at $415,000
Okay. So lower than we were thinking.
All right.
and just above your budget.
I think we should continue to consider it and keep it on the list as far as
Okay.
options.
Well, we can keep looking, and I can try and get you closer, but I think you probably both know what's gonna happen when we get closer. The house is gonna get smaller, price is gonna get bigger.
Yep.
The renovations are going full throttle, while Hagen and Catherine check in with Hilary to get an update of what's been happening.
Okay, we're in.
Whoa. Whoa. This is a big change.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is like a real room.
With this all closed off, it actually feels like a bigger room.
It does.
Doesn't
Right?
it?
Yeah.
It does.
I know that we were all hoping for a flush ceiling all the way through. That's the only little hitch we've come up against,
Okay.
which is we can't do that. It's just because of the structure of your house.
Having it be the same height in both of these rooms makes all the difference in the world.
But it makes it feel larger because you don't have anything stopping you. It's just visually all one space,
Right.
which is what we need.
Yeah.
Okay, so your laundry is now accessible this way. It's stackable.
Okay.
Just takes up less space. Makes absolute sense. Basically, this is it.
Okay.
I mean, it was always a small area. It was just that they were beside each other. So there it is. Done and done.
I can't believe you've been able to completely change this space of this house and basically given us everything we wanted. Have you been able to stick to our $110,000 budget?
I have,
Okay.
excluding the exterior. As of now, I really can't commit any time or money to that deck. I don't want to promise you something I can't deliver.
I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna have to try and think about it because the rest of this house is pretty great.
Okay, great.
Good morning, how are you?
Great, how are you?
So, I don't know if you're familiar with this little neighborhood. It is in transition, and I think this is a great area to get into now. Let's go have a look.
Wow.
Ooh, this is nice.
This is really nice.
It's all open concept.
First thing I noticed is the hardwood floors.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, they're really pretty.
How about this kitchen?
The kitchen looks really nice. Island is huge. I just don't think we have the square footage in our house to get anything close to this.
You move into the family room where you've got the gas fireplace, walk out to the back deck.
Ooh, this is a great yard, especially for the dog. Rigby can run around out here and
I think your office space is next.
wonderful.
Let's go. Your dedicated office. This is your office and your
Awesome.
office only.
Couldn't ask for anything more. This is amazing.
Now we have to talk money. All right, so overall, how do you feel about this?
You were able to deliver on all the things that we asked for. It's close to downtown.
What do you think?
It gives us the space that we need to kind of spread out.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$415,000.
What do you think?
I think it's also listed at $415,000.
This house is listed at $444,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Than we used to be.
Location-wise, you're paying for that.
I don't think we need to look at any more houses. You nailed it with this one. Hagen.
Oh my goodness.
Look at our living room. I don't know if I have words. It's an actual living room that we definitely did not have before. It was a pass-through to the dining room.
Wow.
The key is exactly what you described. The fact that you no longer had to sort of work your way around whatever was here and then go on into your teeny-weeny dining room.
Yes.
That being closed off has created exactly what you see, our room.
Yeah.
Okay?
This is great.
So you ready to move on?
Are you ready
Take
to
a
move
deep
on?
breath, ready,
Okay.
steady?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Catherine.
This is so cool. This is
incredible.
this is huge. This is a huge kitchen.
Great big island.
I love these countertops.
And then we just created a little place where the food can be out, where it's sort of out of the way right there.
Yeah, for the creatures.
Well, let's come around this side.
Okay.
Look at this. Open that. Pantry.
Ah,
Second pantry.
storage for days.
Now, I think the biggest change here is the fact that we don't have a drop ceiling anymore.
It just feels like part of the house.
So let's remember, you used to walk in this way where the fridge is. You had that absolutely minuscule dining area.
Yes.
I know.
You had stairs, and then you had sort of no man's land here.
The layout just works a lot better, don't you think?
It feels comfortable.
All right, speaking of work,
Oh, okay.
open up.
Here we go. Oh, look! It's my office. This is great.
This is incredible.
Well, the nice thing about this is you can have a messy desk, close it off, and forget about it and deal with it whenever you're ready to.
I love these doors.